Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Bolt app. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about Bolt app. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn on your Wi-Fi and you will turn off your Wi-Fi. Then you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching and your attention.